Unlock the secrets to crafting viral 3D figurine videos using the groundbreaking capabilities of Gemini Ai. Let's dive into transforming your creative vision into attention-grabbing 3D animated content, all powered by AI. The first crucial step is character conception. Think about what makes your figurine unique, its personality, its aesthetic, its story. Then, translate these ideas into a clear, descriptive prompt for Gemini Ai. Be specific about the style, the defining features, even the mood you want to convey. Gemini Ai excels at interpreting these prompts to generate a diverse range of 3D figurine concepts. Explore the options it provides. Look for designs that truly resonate with your initial idea, and don't be afraid to iterate on your prompts to refine the output. Once you've selected your perfect 3D figurine, it's time for animation. Gemini Ai can assist in suggesting or even generating basic animation cycles based on your character's design and the narrative you envision. This could include simple movements like walking, idling, or even expressing a subtle emotion. The key to viral potential lies in dynamic storytelling. Even a short, well-animated sequence can capture an audience. Think about the emotion or action you want to communicate. Is it a quirky dance, a proud stance? Capture that essence in your animation. To elevate your creation, consider adding subtle details and atmospheric effects. Fine-tuning the lighting can dramatically impact the mood, and thoughtful additions like glowing particles or subtle background elements can enhance the visual appeal and engagement. By combining compelling character design, smart AI prompting, and a touch of animation flair, you can craft 3D figurine videos that not only stand out but have the potential to go viral. Experiment, be creative, and let AI be your guide.